Our third speaker, it's going to talk about heavy equipment. He is titled, it's funny, he titled it Heavy Equipment Superstore. Gabriel, he's been with us only 2 months and a half, and he already's got his third speech prepared. Gabriel, come on up and get your third speech done.
No, I'm gonna have to, I don't have the projector, so everyone bear with me. I'm just gonna put the computer
I apologize, we normally
Where
have
you
a
can,
projector here, but today we
where maybe we can see it.
do our dandy best. We'll improvise. Seems familiar. We normally we have it 51 times out of the year. This was number 52.
Okay, well,
That's the way it is.
things happen as they happen,
Yes,
right?
they do.
So we have to adjust it. But I'll turn it around and everyone try to see it as best as you can. Well, I'd like to say that, Ram, I really appreciate that speech that you just did. And that story was very riveting. And I'd like to also say that you know, everybody can make a difference, and there's people here that are already making a difference for us. And speaking about that, I'd like to thank Michael, our Toastmaster, for being my mentor for these past speeches. He has always been there to help me out when I've needed. And I really appreciate all the things he's done for me. He's made a difference in the way that I see Toastmasters. And he's motivated me. And I want to be, or have the goal, my goal set just as I see him. I think he wants to do 40 speeches in a year. And that's very, and I don't know, it's very commendable to try and do all that. I don't know if I'll be able to do 40 speeches, but I'll try my best to follow in his footsteps. And thank you, Michael, for being a motivation for me and others. And I'm going to go ahead and start my speech. Sorry for taking up any time. Let's see how I can best do this. Okay. Costas Corporation is a worldwide supplier to the heavy equipment industry. With over 29 years of experience and exporting to over 100 countries, Costas Corporation specializes in new quality replacement parts for Caterpillar heavy equipment. Incorporated since 1980, the company started as a small export office sourcing and reselling parts to the heavy equipment industry. By the mid-80s, we began to stock a complete line of parts for use on Caterpillar machinery. By the late 90s, we began to start as doing product development and manufacturing ourselves. Thus, the introduction of the CTP brand was born, I think, about 1998. At CTP, we have one vision, is to provide the best quality parts at the best possible savings to our customer. This year we're celebrating 30 years anniversary. Machinery downtime can be crucial, and it can be a loss of productivity to our customers. So we have to have a fast and effective delivery system for which is essential for them. So with this said, we have 2 distribution centers which are strategically located, one in Miami, Florida, and one in Dallas, Texas. With over 220,000 square feet of combined warehouse space, we have one of the largest inventories in the United States of new Caterpillar replacement parts for heavy equipment. We have an extensive product line of over 50,000 line items. Our parts include coverage for all mechanical systems on your machinery. At CTP, you can count on us to be your heavy equipment superstore, where you're likely to find what you need and when you need it. Here's just an example of some of our product line. Engine parts and components, complete engine overhaul kits, cooling systems, filters, fuel injection systems, brake parts and friction materials, hydraulic and electrical systems, frame and body parts, ground engaging and undercarriage systems, and finally seals, O-rings, and gaskets. At CTP, we manufacture about 15% of the products that we sell, and we also repackage items. Here's a look at our manufacturing facility. At CTP, we use non-asbestos gasket materials that are made for maximum performance. We assemble gasket sets in bulk quantities. Here's a picture of our gaskets operation. And we believe in our product presentation. Our product presentation is essential part of our success. It has our distributors. Our distributors appreciate the packaging, which adds value to the customer. CTP appoints distributors throughout the world. We have distributors in many countries, and we also participate in various trade shows around the world. Here's our distributor in Lebanon at a trade show. Here's in 2002 we had a dealer in Saudi Arabia. Here's a distributor in Ethiopia, one in Colombia and Paraguay, and finally this is one in Guyana. These are some examples of the distributors we have around the world. We believe in the quality with value guarantee to the customer. That is why we have a quality control inspections, and we have a 3-stage process to check that the parts fit our quality control. Our first stage, the parts are inspected at the point of entry. Our quality control technicians look at every part and make sure that they meet our specifications. The second stage is at the point where the parts are packaged. Every receiving person verifies that the correct part is packaged inside the box, and we label them with the correct information. At the third stage of quality control is at the end when we're shipping the order to our customer. All orders are verified for accuracy. We believe in providing quality assurance through product development and research. With a staff of 7 engineers, we are working constantly to improve the quality of the parts in our industry. We're also engaged in the manufacture of parts and the development, so we have to do research, and we're one of the only ones that do research and actually develop new parts within our industry. At CTP, we provide a full warranty that covers all the systems on the machines. We also have online support for all our customers so they can follow their claims on a real-time basis. We believe in providing the full customer service package to the customer, and this includes same-day shipments and deliveries and quotations, a convenient online ordering system, friendly and well-trained staff with experience, a large inventory, and a complete product line. We also provide considerable savings, and thus our value guarantee to the customer. At CTP, we are changing the way you look at replacement parts. Thank you.